In this video, I will show you how to add a PDF file to your GoDaddy website. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click your profile name on the top right and go to your products page. Now we need to go to websites and marketing. You need to click manage. Then you need to click edit website. And between two different sections, you need to click this plus icon right here, add section. And in the search, you need to search for PDF. You can see there are a few options. For example, this one, display your PDF content on your website. You can also go to files, and right here you can choose a downloadable PDF file or a few downloadable files. So in this case, I will choose a simple PDF viewer. And I will display a PDF file on my website. So I need to click add button right here and wait a few seconds. As you can see, add the PDF file to get started. Now I need to upload my PDF file and it will be shown on my GoDaddy website, guys. You need to click upload file on the right side. You need to select upload. You need to find the PDF file from your PC and select it. And as you can see, we successfully uploaded the file. Then you need to click the insert button on the bottom right side right here. And as you can see, we successfully inserted the PDF file on our GoDaddy website. If everything is correct, you need to click done on the right side and then click the publish button on the top, guys. That's all I want to show you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.